Hi everyone, my name is Yoshi. 10th day of Kyushu, Kurokawa Onsen. Kurokawa Onsen have a wonderful nature and hot spring hopping. The purpose of this video are for viewer to use it as a reference and make your travel plan. Today, accommodation is Sotaro-an. This is the best hidden hotel with 5 private baths for 4 rooms. Kurokawa Onsen is hot spring haven. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel. Click the like button. Your support gives me great courage. Kurokawa Onsen is located to Kumamoto Prefecture. Today, total driving time is approximately 1 hour. First, we are going to Nabegataki Waterfall, 37 minutes. Let's begin. First, we are visiting Nabegataki Waterfall. Healing flowing curtain, born from Aso volcano. Nabegatake Fall, hidden away in town of Oguni, Kumamoto Prefecture. It is spectacular 10-meter high and 20-meter wide waterfall that offers some of the most breathtaking view in Japan. Nabegataki Waterfall. One of the reasons why the Nabegataki Waterfall is so popular with the tourists and the locals is because it's one of the rare sites where the traveler can access to the large cabin behind the fall, making it possible to capture some of the most picturesque views a photographer can ask for. If you want to book the ticket advance, register with this website and book for it. Remember to check the condition. Entrance for Nabegataki Waterfall. If you book advance, please follow red arrow. 3 to 5 minutes to the waterfall. 120 steps of stairs. They are controlling number of visitors for safe reason. Please note. Can you see the person behind the waterfall? You can also take the photo like this. It can be slippery, so walking sticks are available for rent at entrance. You can also take such a romantic photo. Take your own special photo here. It is rare to be able to take the photo from inside the waterfall. After enjoy, we moved to Kurokawa Onsen. Nabegatake Fall to Kurokawa Onsen, 23 minutes drive. Kurokawa Onsen to the hotel, 6 minutes drive. Try to park the car at the information center. This is Kurokawa Onsen Information Center. You can buy the hopping pass here. We purchased the spa hopping wooden cart. We can try 3 different spas to try. Kurokawa Onsen is famous for hopping spa and walking around the town. Kurokawa City Town Tour. Roads are narrow to drive and a lot of up and down. Shop around the road. They are selling a lot of food and souvenir. Let's start 3 onsen hopping. First onsen hopping at Shinmeikan, famous for cave bath. This cave bath was apparently digged by the owner of Shinmeikan over many years. Map of the Shinmeikan. Spa hopping. First, we have to register with the reception. Entrance to the cave bath. Waiting area. Not allowed to bring the camera to the bath. Picture from original website. A bit too dark than expected. Back to the street. Then we go to the lunch. We are going to have a unagi eel for lunch. Unakita. Very nice. ごちそうさまでした。Thank you for the meal. Go back to the another onsen hopping. Second hopping spa, Fumoto Ryokan. It's an open air spa. Last, third hopping spa. We go to Yamabiko Ryokan. I choose the spa all nearby. We should press study more before we come. I found the dog accommodation on the same hotel ground. Yamabiko Ryokan entrance. Register for the hopping spa at reception. The gardens are so sophisticated and very nice. Sennin Spa, Hermit Spa. Pictures from the official website. The 3 hot spring tour are over. I found unique things in the city center. Face spa. Let's try.
It's good for my face.
We are moving to the hotel. Hotel called Sotaro-an. This is the best hidden hotel with 5 private baths for 4 rooms. This hotel is a small inn with only 4 rooms and is a place for people to enjoy a quiet and extraordinary experience away from the busyness from everyday life. Please refrain from the making loud noise or if you are planning a party, but perfect for the family too. This is our room. Room tour. Our room are 8 tatami. Look at the fridge are so big. This hotel, 2 rooms are 8 tatami and 2 rooms are 6 tatami. Yukata is in a room. If you need different size, ask for the staff. When using the bus, bring this tag with you and please hang this tag next to the door. Welcome drink. Ohagi, red bean mochi and buckwheat tea. If you have a wheat allergy, maybe this hotel is not suitable for you because this hotel are famous for the soba noodle, buckwheat noodles. When I enter the room, the 3 outside screens visible through the shoji screen are very impressive. Reservation can be made up to 3 months in advance by phone or online. Price from 14,300 yen per person including 2 meals. Sakura-so 8 tatami. Our room, Wasurenagusa 8 tatami. Odorikoso 6 tatami. Rengeso 6 tatami, bright room with window. First spa called Uguisu no Yu, most closer to our room. Second spa on the way going to reception called Oshidori no Yu, indoor spa. Third spa, Hojiro no Yu, outdoor spa, quite spacious. Fourth and fifth spa are outside of the house, just close by. Only open until 10 p.m. and 7 a.m. from the morning. Kogera no Yu, indoor hot spring with hinoki bathtub. Last one, fifth spa, Yamasemi no Yu. This spa also located to outside of the house, open until 10 p.m. and from 7 a.m. Biggest spa in this hotel. Dinner time! Dinner at the dining area. Kaiseki dinner. I just want to introduce the toilet because it looks so cute. Men's toilet. Yes, automatically open. Back to the dining. We are seated. This is today's menu. Blueberry wine. Appetizer. Marinade scallop. Chicken teriyaki. Boiled tomato with honey. Wasabi salad. Grilled fish miso taste. Sweet fish wrapped in kelp. Clam with vinegar miso. Japanese clear sumashi soup. Horse meat. Kumamoto specialty. Eat with ginger. Boiled veggie in season. Mountain grilled fish. Potato bun with corn. Yakiniku.
Melt in your mouth.
Great! Fresh wasabi for soba noodle. This is machine for making soba noodle.
This is the cozy prepared by the chef. Balls with wasabi.
That's a good chicken. Annone.
Dessert, lemon pudding and fruits. Good morning. Enjoy morning spa before go to breakfast. This is our breakfast. Looks like a dinner. Look at the breakfast. Mentaiko fish egg, konjac yam, rice, miso soup, fresh salad, seaweed, bamboo shoot dry radish, tofu, udon noodles, dry tofu, bacon and egg and pickles. Thank you for breakfast. ごちそうさまでした。Thank you for the Sotaro-an. We had a great time. We are moving to Beppu. See you 11th of Kyushu trip. Beppu.